If you are a true warrior, competition doesn't scare you, it makes you better. Well, looking at all the wonderful participants present here from best of the schools and colleges, I think they all want to compete fiercely and they don't look scared. Good morning to all the participants, my team and our wonderful audience. Welcome to GBC Updates, the Battle of Brains Series 2023. Now, it gives me immense pleasure in introducing my team and our wonderful, brilliant contestants. We have Mr. Amit Mahajan presiding over today's event, Miss Lavisha Kalyan as an event regulator, and Mr. Jatinder Prince behind the camera. Now let's have an introduction of our contestants. Contestant number 1, Sableen from Triple M School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 2, Bhumika from Triple M School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 3, Krantika from Triple M School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 4, Rakshit from Chaudhary Balbir Senior Secondary School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 5, Asmita from DAV B.Ed School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 6, Prabjit from DAV College, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Contestant number 7, Deepak from DAV Senior Secondary School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
And contestant number 8, Ritender from Woodland Overseas School, Hoshiarpur.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome candidates, welcome contestants. So, are you excited about today's event?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Wow. Your tone is really praiseworthy. Your tone is really very confident. You all look very confident. Now, first of all, कैसा nervous तो नहीं है कोई?
No.
No? Very good, very good. I think you all are here to get to a golden chair and win the cash prize. Good, good, good. That's the spirit. So, we have the questions, you have the answer, join in the fun and flex your mental muscles. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Jalsa, shall we begin with the contest?
Begin.
The battle of brain starts. First of all, let's have a glance at the rules of the competition. Out of 8 contestants, only 3 will be shortlisted for the silver chair round. 8 questions will be asked in the first round. In the first round, the one who presses the buzzer first will get the chance to answer, and contestants will then be selected according to the number of answers given. Top 3 contestants will be selected for the silver chair round. Understood?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So contestants, ready for the fastest finger first round?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Your first question is, arrange the following dynasties of Indian history in chronological order. A. Mauryan dynasty, B. Gupta dynasty, C. Khilji dynasty or D. Mughal dynasty. Chronological order, सबसे जो पहले थी उससे बाद तक इंडियन हिस्ट्री में कौन कौन सी डायनेस्टीज आई है, टाइम पीरियड पहले से बाद तक. A. Mauryan dynasty, B. Gupta dynasty, C. Khilji dynasty or is it D. Mughal dynasty? Yes, yes, yes. It is. Who pressed the buzzer? It is Asmita. Yes, Asmita.
It's B, A, C, D.
B. A. You mean Gupta dynasty, Mauryan dynasty, then
Mughal dynasty
Mughal dynasty,
and the C, Khilji dynasty.
Khilji dynasty. Sure, you can change if you want. देख लीजिए.
I'll go with it.
You will go with it.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
पक्का.
Yes, sir.
Should I ask my magic stream?
Yes.
Yes, magic stream ji. Kindly let us know whether Asmita's answer is correct or not. Let's see. Asmita, I'm afraid it is not the correct answer. It is Mauryan dynasty, Gupta
Gupta
dynasty,
dynasty.
Khilji dynasty, and then Mughal dynasty.
Okay.
A, B, C and D. That was the answer. Chalo, better luck next time. Yes, contestants. Shall I ask the second question?
Yes, sir.
Your second question is, in Mahabharata, whose real name was Devvrat? A. Pandu, B. Bhishma, C. Arjuna, or is it D. Dronacharya? Who pressed the buzzer? Prabjit was.
भारत की नंबर 1 तेजी से बढ़ती हुई न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल एंड आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट की एक विश्वसनीय कंपनी अपने उच्च गुणवत्ता व समय से डिलीवरी के लिए जानी जाती है। स्वस्तिका हेल्दी लाइफ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से जुड़कर लाखों रुपए महीना कमाएं। पीसीडी फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए संपर्क करें। 100% मोनोपोली राइट व थर्ड पार्टी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की सुविधा उपलब्ध है। WHO GMP ISO सर्टिफाइड प्रोडक्ट। सिरप, सॉफ्ट जेल कैप्सूल्स, टैबलेट, सैशे, पाउडर, स्पोर्ट्स प्रोटीन पाउडर। CEO एंड MD राजू गुप्ता पिछले 17 वर्ष से स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र में अनुभव दिल्ली, यूपी, बिहार, झारखंड, हरियाणा, पंजाब, वेस्ट बंगाल, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, साउथ इंडिया इन सभी क्षेत्रों में बिजनेस पार्टनर बनने व पीसीटी फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए रिक्त स्थान उपलब्ध है। स्वस्तिका लाइफ से जुड़ने के लिए आज ही कॉल करें 8791231980 या फिर 8528331980 या वेबसाइट पर विजिट करें www.swastikalife.com।
Prabjit was quite quick with the buzzer. Yes, Prabjit.
B. Bhishma.
B. Bhishma. Prabjit.
Yes, sir.
Shall I ask my magic screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, magic screen ji. Kindly tell us whether Prabjit's answer is correct or not. Prabjit, brilliant answer.
Thank you, sir.
So, Prabjit has given one correct answer. Now, Devvrat was later known as Bhishma Pitama. That was Bhishma Pitama's real name, Devvrat. Now, moving on to the third question. Contestants, your third question is, arrange the following from north to south. A. Equator, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. Tropic of Capricorn, or D. Arctic Circle. Who pressed the buzzer? That is Rakshit. Yes, Rakshit.
Arctic Circle,
Okay.
then Tropic of Cancer, then Equator, then Tropic of Capricorn.
Okay. Your answer is final?
Yeah, I'll go with it.
You are 100% sure?
Quite sure.
Quite sure. Let's ask our magic screen whether answer is correct or not. Yes, magic screen ji. Rakshit, your answer is correct. Very well answered, Rakshit. Very well answered. Now we have Prabjit with one correct answer and Rakshit with one correct answer. Rest of the candidates, come on! Be quick here with your buzzer and flex your mental muscles. Now, let's have a look at the fourth question. Your fourth question is, which Sikh Guru got compiled Aad Granth? That is A. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, B. Guru Ramdas Ji, C. Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and D. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Who pressed the buzzer? It is Deepak. Deepak, yes.
Guru Tegh Bahadur ji.
Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Magic Screen Ji, kindly tell us. Deepak, it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is Guru Arjan Dev Ji. You know it? Then
I also.
you also knew it? So you people should be big with the buzzer. Guru Arjan Dev Ji got compiled Aad Granth, which was later Guru Arjan Dev Ji got compiled Aad Granth. which was later known as Guru Granth Sahib. When Guru Gobind Singh Ji included some shabds of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji in Adi Granth, then it was called as Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, shall we move on to the sixth question?
Yes, sir.
Just Bhumika, yes, your fifth question that is bit easy. I think everybody must be knowing the answer. So be quick with the buzzer. In which city would you find Kremlin Palace? A. Moscow, B. Washington DC, C. London, or is it D. Paris? Yes. Bhumika is the one who pressed the buzzer first. Yes, Bhumika, what's your answer?
Sir, it's Paris.
It is Paris. Is it Paris? Is it Paris? Yes, audience, what do you think? भूमिका का आंसर सही है या नहीं? भूमिका, आपको कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है?
A little bit, I think it's right.
You think it's right. Now you don't want to change.
No, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
मैंने अभी पूछ लेना मैजिक स्क्रीन से.
Okay, sir.
Yes, मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए भूमिका का आंसर क्या है? भूमिका, not correct answer. It is not the correct answer. It is this word, this name is often heard in news these days. We have been hearing this name for the past 1 year. Kremlin Palace. It is in Moscow. Every day you must be, if you are a regular reader of newspaper, every day you must be coming across this name, Kremlin Palace. So I have asked 5 questions till now. Only Prabjit and Rakshit, they have given one correct answer each. Yes, candidates, come on, compete fiercely. Shall I ask the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Your next question is मन में डैश फूटना. Complete the मुहावरा. A आम, B लड्डू, C सेब, or is it D कटानू? Yes, Deepak, what's your answer?
Sir, B Laddu.
B लड्डू. पक्का लड्डू?
Yes, sir.
नहीं कटानू तो नहीं.
No, sir. No, sir.
चलो मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए दीपक का आंसर सही है या नहीं? दीपक, योर आंसर इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. वेरी वेल आंसर दीपक. मन में लड्डू फूटना मुहावरा है. सो नाउ वी हैव Rakshit, Deepak and Prabjit with one correct answer each. Come on girls, I want more girls in the silver chair round. Come on. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Your next question is, who was the first winner of Cricket World Cup in 1975? A. Australia, B. England, C. West Indies, or is it D. India?
West Indies.
West Indies.
Yes, sir.
West Indies तो इस वर्ल्ड कप में क्वालिफाई भी नहीं की.
1975 विन की थी.
विनर थे वो.
Yes, sir.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया या इंग्लैंड नहीं लग रहा.
No, sir.
Quite confident.
Yes, sir.
चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी, kindly let us know whether Prabjit's answer is correct or not. Let's have a look at the answer. Your answer is absolutely correct, Prabjit. Very well answered. It was indeed West Indies. And West Indies won World Cup.
इस त्योहार अपने कार लेके आओ सुजुकी बाइक एंड स्कूटी ते नाल ही पाओ 5000 तक का कैशबैक ते 100% तक का लोन. इस दे नाल होर भी आकर्षक ऑफर मिलो. वर्मा सुजुकी जलंधर बाईपास होशियारपुर.
In both 1975 and 1979. Very well answered.
Thank you, sir.
Prabjit has given 2 correct answers. Prabjit, you have been selected. Now you will not participate further. ठीक है? Only 7 candidates will compete now. You are not going to participate. You have been selected for the silver chair round. We have one contestant, Prabjit, who has been selected for the silver chair round because he has given the maximum number of correct answers till now. Now he will not participate further, and the rest of the 7 candidates will compete amongst themselves. Shall I ask the next question?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Your next question is, how many districts are there in Punjab? A 22. Oh, Deepak is quite quick with the buzzer. A 22, B 23, C 24, or D 25?
Sir, 22.
No.
No.
No. He has given the answer. He has given the answer. Your answer, Deepak. Let's ask our magistrate. is not the correct answer. It is 23. 23 is the correct answer. Now, after 8 questions, we have only Prabjit who has been selected for the silver chair. Now, your next question. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is, what is the full form of GBC in GBC update channel of Hoshiarpur? We have Rakshit. A. Government Broadcasting Channel. B. Global Broadcasting Corporation. C. Government Broadcasting Corporation. Or is it D. Global Boxing Championship?
It's Global Broadcasting Corporation.
Global Broadcasting Corporation. GBC update Global Broadcasting Corporation. Sure?
Yeah.
कहाँ पर पढ़ा है?
Lot of places.
Okay.
Right in the studio also. I guess.
Okay. And have you subscribed it?
Yeah.
Oh, how are you finding it?
It's quite good.
Quite good. Okay. And are you gaining something?
Yeah, for sure. I think.
Okay. Now let's ask our magic screen whether Global Broadcasting Corporation is the correct answer or not. Yes, magic screen, it is the correct answer. Rakshit, very well answered. Now you have given 2 correct answers till now. Very good, very well answered. Global Broadcasting Corporation. Now Rakshit with 2 correct answers and Deepak with 1 correct answer. Come on, Ritinder. Yes, Asmita. Savleen, Bhumika, Krantika, come on! Shall I ask the next question?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is, dermatology is the study of A. Heart, B. Cells, C. Skin, or is it D. Muscles?
Skin.
Skin. Asmita, you seem quite confident.
Yes, sir. It's
Paka?
skin. Yes,
Magic
100%
screen?
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, magic screen, kindly let us know. It is the correct answer, Asmita. Very well answered. Dermatology is indeed the study of skin. Very well answered. Now, contestants, Asmita with 1 correct answer, Deepak with 1 correct answer, and Rakshit with 2 correct answers. Rakshit, now you will not participate. You have also been selected for the silver chair round. Now we have 2 candidates who have been selected for the silver chair round, Prabjit and Rakshit. Only rest of the 6 candidates will participate further. Ready? What a contest we are having. What a contest. So breathtaking contest. So close. Wow. Terrific. Your next question is, what is the main ingredient of the dish?
ਹੋਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮਲਟੀ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡ ਕਾਰ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਡੈਮੇਜ ਅਤੇ ਐਕਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ 50% ਤੱਕ ਦੀ ਲੇਬਰ ਛੂਟ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ ਵਰਮਾ ਆਟੋ ਟਾਂਡਾ ਰੋਡ ਹੋਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ।
Yes, Bhumika. A. Black grams. B. Cucumber. C. Maize. Or is D. Potatoes?
Maize.
Maize. Shall I ask my magic screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, magic screen. Kindly let us know. Oh, Bhumika, it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is potato. Widely eaten in this dish is widely eaten in USA, America. Now the last question. Ready, Deepak, Krantika, Asmita,
Yes.
Rijinder? Your next question is, you have to identify the personality. A. Joe Biden, B. Rishi Sunak, C. Benjamin Netanyahu, or is it D. Emmanuel Macron? Yes, yes. Asmita has pressed the buzzer. Yes, Asmita. What's the correct answer? Who is he?
It's Emmanuel Macron.
Emmanuel Macron.
Yeah.
Just have a good look at him.
No, it's Benjamin Netanyahu.
Benjamin Netanyahu.
Yeah.
Now are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Should I take your answer final?
Yes, sir.
Is it your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Magic Screen ji. Kindly tell us, Asmita's answer is correct or not? Whether Asmita has been selected for the silver chair round or not? Now audience, let's see Asmita का आंसर सही है या नहीं? Yes, Magic Screen ji. Asmita, big round of applause for Asmita. Wow, what a first faster finger round we have had. Very well answered, Asmita. It is indeed the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, often seen in news these days. Very well answered. Such a close contest it was. Very good. Now, our 3 candidates for the silver chair round are Prabjit from DAV College, Hoshiarpur. Rakshit from Chaudhary Balbir School, Hoshiarpur, and Asmita. Very well fought, Asmita. You played really brilliantly in the last round. From Asmita from DAV B.Ed College, Hoshiarpur. Big round of applause for all the three candidates who have been selected for the silver tier round. Wow, what a contest it was. What a round it was. And rest of the candidates, you need not lose your hope. ठीक है, you will get chances in the coming episodes. ठीक है, so अपना be motivated, then don't lose the hope. You all played really well. Now our three contestants for silver chair round: Asmita from DAV B.Ed School, Prabjit from DAV College Hoshiarpur, and Rakshit from Chaudhary Balbir School. Congratulations for getting selected to the silver chair round. I hope we don't have 3 golden chairs, we have only 1 golden chair. So I just wish that you all play fiercely, compete in a healthy way and get selected for the golden chair round. Yes, Asmita, you are studying in DAV B.Ed College. So in the first year or the second?
Second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
So what do you want to become?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yeah.
You have passion of becoming teacher from childhood or it is
From
just
childhood.
From childhood.
Yeah.
And who is your role model? Who has inspired you to become a teacher?
Actually, I have done MSc Physics.
MSc Physics. Okay.
Yeah, so I have core interest in physics.
Okay.
So I wanted to make physics easier for students.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing.
Singing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. That is quite a fine hobby.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And good luck for the silver chair round.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Prabjit. Prabjit,
Yes, sir.
where are you studying?
BSc non-medical.
Where?
DAV
College, na?
Yes.
Okay, BSc non-medical. So you have an interest in mathematics and physics?
Physics.
Physics?
Yes.
Okay. So we have one who has done MSc Physics and the other one who have a keen interest in physics. Very good. And who is your role model?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. And you want to do you want to become a scientist?
Sure.
Okay, great. Good luck for that and good luck for the coming rounds.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Rakshit, tell us about yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Rakshit Jain. I'm currently in grade +1 opting for commerce, and my hobbies include oration, painting and some kind of like other activities which include crafts and all those things.
Okay, you are interested in extracurricular activities a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is your forte? And what do you like the most? What type of paintings do you paint?
See, I am learning of various kind of paintings. So like right now I'm using watercolor medium to paint.
Okay.
Now from the next week I would be using acrylic.
Okay.
So I'm trying to cope up with all the mediums.
Okay.
Else I enjoy the traditional painting the most.
Traditional painting. Good luck, Rakshit.
Thank you,
We
sir.
wish that you get selected for the golden chair round and win cash prize. Congratulations and good luck, everybody. First of all, do you know the fastest bird on the earth is peregrine falcon? In fact, it is the fastest animal on the earth. While in the dive, it can reach up to the speed of 389 kilometers per second. So, contestants, in the next round, you'll have to be very quick because our next round is rapid fire round. First, let's have a look at the rules of the rapid fire round. 5 questions will be asked to every participant. Each participant will get only 35 seconds to answer those questions. 10 points will be awarded for every correct answers, and there is no negative marking. Understood? Any doubt? Shall we begin? Yes. Contestant number 1, Asmita. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize 2023? You can say pass if you don't know the answer.
I know.
You are running out of time. 12 seconds has passed.
It's
You can say-
Catalina.
You can say skip.
Nargis Mohammadin.
Nargis, which is the longest river in India?
Ganga.
The language Mandarin is spoken in which country? Mandarin.
Spain.
Which is the outermost layer of sun?
Corona.
Vice President of India is an ex-officio chairman of
Rajya Sabha.
True or
Rajya
false?
Sabha. True.
True. What do you think? How many correct answers have you given? What do you think?
I think 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. और आपका अंदाजा जो है बिल्कुल सही है. You have given 4 correct answers. 40 points for Asmita in the first round. A big round of applause. Very well played, Asmita. Very well played. You have given 4 correct answers. Very well played. 40 points for Asmita in the first round. Now I will speak the answers. Nobel Peace Prize 2023, Nargis Mohammadi from Iran, who fought for the rights of women in Iran. Which is the longest river of India? That is Ganga, 25 kilometers long. The language Mandarin is spoken in China and Taiwan. Chinese language, it is called Mandarin. Outermost layer of sun, that is corona. You got it right. And the temperature of that layer reaches up to 5 lakh degrees centigrades or more. Vice President of India is in fact the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. That is true. You also got it correct. Very well answered, Asmita. You gave brilliant answers. 40 points for her. Now, moving on to our contestant number 2. Yes, contestant number 2, Prabjit.
Yes.
How many answers do you think you will be able to give?
Depending on questions.
Depending on questions. But you must be having some aim, not like getting 30 points or 50 points or 40 points.
30.
30. Why not 50? Try for 50.
Yes, sir.
You are from DAV College. We have a very brilliant quiz team. DAV College Hoshiarpur. Shall I ask?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now. Who won the Nobel Prize for Literature 2023?
John Fosse.
Which is the largest desert of India?
Thar Desert.
Which is the widely spoken language of South America continent?
Pass.
Which is the innermost of the outer layer of sun?
Pass.
Sir B.N. Rao was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India. True or false?
False.
Which is the widely spoken language of South America continent?
African language.
Which is the innermost of the outer layer of sun? What do you think, Prabjit?
25 points.
20 points. You have scored indeed 20 points. Big round of applause for Prabjit. Prabjit has scored 20 points in the rapid fire round. You got 2 answers correct. Now I'll speak out the answers. Nobel Prize for Literature 2023, John Fosse from Norway. Just for his innovative plays and prose, for giving voice to the unsable. And largest desert of India, that is Thar Desert. That is the extent of the area of desert is about 77,000 square miles. And widely spoken language of South America, Spanish, closely followed by Portuguese. Because many of those countries of South America, they were colonized by Spain. Innermost of the outer layer of sun, that is the photosphere. The sun has 3 inner layers and 3 outer layers. 3 inner layers are core, radiative zone and convective zone. Outer layer is further divided to 3 parts. Now I will not speak the names of those parts, because in the next I will be asking question further from that part. Sir B.N. Rao was a constitutional advisor. It is correct. It is true. B.N. Rao ji, he was indeed the constitutional advisor. Benegal Narsingh Rao. He was also India's representative to United Nations from 1950 to 52. He was a brilliant person. Okay, so moving further. Yes, Rakshit, you seem quite confident.
Might be, I'm not sure.
Okay. You look confident. Just
Alright.
say I am confident.
Alright.
Have that spirit.
I have that spirit to be confident.
Okay, that's great. Now shall I ask?
Sure.
I want you to answer all the questions.
I'll surely try.
Yes, that's the spirit. Now, Rakshit, your time starts now. Who won Nobel Prize for Economics 2023?
Pass.
Which is the largest public sector bank of India?
SBI.
What is the major religion of Tibet?
Buddhism.
What is the middle layer of sun of the
Pass.
outer worlds? Nandlal Bose was the calligrapher of Indian Constitution. True or false?
True.
Who won the Nobel Prize for Economics 2023?
Pass.
Middle layer of sun.
Pass.
What do you think? How many points you have scored?
20 to 30.
20 to 30. And you are right. You have scored 20 points in the rapid fire round. Big round of applause for Rakshit also. Very well answered. Some of those two questions now which you have answered. Very good answers. Rakshit, Nobel Prize for Economics 2023. It is Claudia Goldin. Claudia Goldin. She worked tirelessly for in the field of women labor participation. Public sector bank largest, you got it correct, that is indeed State Bank of India. Major religion of Tibet, you got it correct, that is Buddhism. And middle layer of sun, that is chromosphere, that is visible only during the eclipse. And Nandlal Bose, he was not a calligrapher, he was the chief artist. He decorated the original handwritten constitution. Calligrapher was Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada, he was the calligrapher of Indian Constitution. He wrote the original handwritten copy of Indian Constitution in italic style, flowing italic style. Understood? So, after the first rapid fire round, we have Asmita at 40 points from BAE BS College. Prabjit at 20 points from BAE College and Rakshit with 20 points from Chaudhary Balbir Senior Secondary School. Congratulations everyone, you all played really well. We had a fine rapid fire round with Asmita leading with 40 points. Prabjit and Rakshit, they both are tied at 20 points each. Now, moving further, may your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears, because our next round is categories round. First, let's have a look at the rules of categories round. Participant with the lower score will get the chance to choose first. There will be 5 categories. Each participant will have to choose one category and a question will then be asked from that category. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answers and 5 points will be deducted if the answer is wrong. A lifeline is given. What is that lifeline? You have the 5 contestants sitting in front of you. If you don't know the answer and you want to take help from those contestants, you can ask any contestant. In that scenario, 5 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 will be deducted if the answer is wrong. If you don't know the answer, you can say skip and the question will then be passed on to the next candidate in the clockwise manner. If the candidate to whom the question has been passed on gives the correct answer, he or she will get 5 points, but no point will be deducted if the answer is wrong. Okay? No point will be deducted for the wrong answer of the passed on question. Clear? Shall we begin? You are clear with the lifeline? It is brain versus brain. Let's see who will win. Ready? We'll start with Prabjit, because alphabetically you both are tied. Alphabetically his name comes first. ठीक है? Prabjit, then Rakshit and then Asmita. Prabjit, your 5 categories are mythology, Mahatma Gandhi, books, sports and geography. Which category would you like to choose?
Mythology.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
You are quite confident in mythology. Earlier also you gave the correct answer for mythology.
Yes.
Do you like reading about scriptures and mythological tales?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, Magic Screen ji. Let's have a question from mythology. Prabjit, your question is: how many years did the Pandavas spend in exile? How many years did the Pandavas spend in exile? Pandavas ने वनवास में कितने साल गुजारे? वनवास में. Come on. You must have studied it somewhere. Definitely. Think hard.
12 years in Vanvas and 1 year Agyatwas.
12 years in Vanvas.
And 1
12
year.
years in Vanvas and 1 years in Agyatwas. चेंज कर सकते हो, मैं चांस दे रहा हूँ. अब सही लग रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो,
Yes, sir.
तो हम पूछ लेते हैं मैजिक स्क्रीन से.
Yes, sir.
पूछ लें.
Yes, sir.
चलिए मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए उत्तर सही है या नहीं. इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. प्रभजीत, वेरी वेल आंसर. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर प्रभजीत. दे स्पेंट 12 years in exile and 1 year in the court of King Virat of Matsya. Very well answered. Now 10 points for Prabjit in the categories round. Rakshit, Prabjit is ahead of you till now, but you can catch up with him by giving the correct answer of the next question. Your 4 categories are books, Mahatma Gandhi, sports and geography.
Geography.
Geography. So do you like geography?
Yeah.
Okay. The question from geography is: apart from Nepal and China, which other country borders Indian state of Sikkim?
It's Bhutan.
Bhutan.
Yeah.
You seem confident.
Sure.
Yes, Magic Screen. Kindly let us know whether Prakshit's answer is correct or not. Whether Prakshit has scored 10 points or not. Prakshit, your answer is absolutely correct. 10 points for Prakshit and big round of applause for him. Very well answered, Prakshit. That was a brilliant answer. Very well answered. So, again in the second round, Prabjit and Prakshit, they have both given 1 correct answer each. They have both scored 10 points each. Very well answered. And they are tied at 30 points each. What a contest we are having today. Terrific. Wonderful. Fabulous. I'm running out of adjectives. So, Asmita, they are both catching up with you. You think you will be able to give the correct answer of the next question?
Yes.
Okay. And which category you are left with? Only 3 categories now. Which one would you like to choose?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah.
Have you been reading about him?
Yes.
Okay. Your question from Mahatma Gandhi is: who gave the title of Mahatma to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi? His real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is famously known as Mahatma Gandhi. But who gave him that title, Mahatma? Just think smart. You will be able to answer. That person is a very famous personality in Indian history.
It's Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yeah.
Do you want to finally go with it, or you want to change your answer? Because I am giving you the choice. You can change your answer if you want. Or shall we finally ask our Magic Screen?
I'm sure.
Yes, Magic Screen, kindly let us know whether Asmita has scored 10 points or not. Oh, Asmita, it is not the correct answer. It is not the correct answer. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. And does anybody here know about the pen name of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore? His pen name was Bhanu Singha Thakur. Rabindranath Tagore's pen name Bhanu Singha Thakur. After categories round, we have Asmita at 35 points, Prabji at 30 points and Rakshit at 30 points. So, बहुत ही क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट जो है हमें आज देखने को मिल रहा है. 35, 30, 30, नो डिफरेंस एट ऑल. देखते हैं आने वाले राउंड में जो है कौन आगे बढ़ता है. उससे पहले एक छोटी सी ब्रेक. योर माइंड इज योर टावर, लेट इट शावर, टेक द चैलेंज एंड शो योर पावर. सो कंटेस्टेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट राउंड इज बजर राउंड. फर्स्ट, let's have a look at the rules of the buzzer round. 6 questions will be asked in this round. The contestant pressing the buzzer first will get the chance to answer the question and he or she will have to answer. Otherwise 5 marks will be 5 points will be deducted. 10 points will be awarded for the correct answer and 5 will be deducted for the wrong answer. In case of wrong answer, the question will then be passed on to the next candidates, and if that candidate gives the correct answer, 5 points will be awarded to that candidate. But no negative marking in case of passed on question if the answer is wrong. Understood? Any doubt? Clear? Now, are you confident? Asmita 35 and you both are tied at 30. Anything can happen in the buzzer round. Ready? Think fast and think smart. Let's see who is the one who gets selected to the golden chair round. Ready? Yes. Hands near your buzzer and mind running faster than the fastest land animal on earth, that is cheetah. Your first question is, where has the second largest Hindu temple been opened recently outside India? It is Rakshit who has pressed the buzzer first. Rakshit, what's your answer?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. You want to go with it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
गलत हो सकता है.
It's destiny then.
You want to depend on destiny then. Let's see what is this time for you. Yes. It is not the correct answer. Indonesia is not the correct answer. Yes, question passes on to Prabjit now, clockwise.
China.
Yes. China?
Yes, sir.
Largest Hindu temple outside India. It has been opened recently. Where? Second largest, sorry.
Second largest.
You are saying China. Shall I ask my magic screen?
Not sure.
Not sure. You will not get any negative marking. Only Prekshat has got -5 in the first question of the buzzer round.
Change कर सकते.
Yeah, you can change. I don't want the name of that country. I want the name of that place, that specific place. Asmita seems quite confident. Prabjit, she will get 5 points. She seems quite confident. Yes, Judge sir, how much more time would you like?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. You have only 5 seconds. Just have decided to give only 5 seconds to you.
Go with China.
So China. China is not the correct answer, Prabjit. It is not the correct answer. The question passes on to Asmita now.
It's New Jersey.
New Jersey is the correct answer. Good round of applause. Asmita, 5 points for Asmita. Asmita, very well answered. It is indeed New Jersey. The second largest Hindu temple has recently been built. Yeah, it is known as Swami Narayan Akshardham. It spreads across an area of 185 acres. The largest one is Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The exact place is Robbinsville Township in New Jersey. Very well answered, Asmita. Now, after the first question, Asmita has scored 5 points. Rakshit, shall I ask the next question? Yes. Ready? Yes. Your next question is: in which year was Yom Kippur War, which has recently been in news? What? Yom Kippur War. Which year? In which year? It has been in news recently. A lot about this war has been coming in the news recently. Yom Kippur War. Do you people read newspapers, articles, opinions? That is the burning issue. Something related to this war is the burning issue in geopolitics at the moment. Okay, I'll give you the hint. It was fought in the Middle East, where at the moment also a war is going on. No? Yes, sir. Shall I give the answer now? The answer is 1973. It was fought between Israel on one side and Egypt and Syria on other side. ये बोला जाता है ना कि 50 साल बाद जो अभी इजराइल पर हमला हुआ था, अटैक हुआ था, हमास ने किया था, 50 साल बाद ऐसा अटैक हुआ है. 50 साल पहले 1973 में योम किपुर वॉर हुई थी, तब अटैक हुआ है उन पर ऐसा. That was fought in the month of October, from 6th of October to 25th of October 1973. Shall I ask the next question? Yes. Your next question is: who was the only Chief Justice of India to have acted as the President of India for a brief period? Only Chief Justice of India to have acted as the President of India for a brief period. Come on, think. You must have studied about it in some GK book, definitely. Come on. Chief Justice of India can act as the President of India under certain circumstances. There has been only one instance in India when the Chief Justice of India acted as the President of India. You have to name that person. No? Prabjit and Rakshit, Asmita is ahead of you. You can catch up with her by giving the correct answer. Jassa, shall I give the answer now? The correct answer is Muhammad Hidayatullah. It was in 1969. What happened in 1969? डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन जो थे उस समय के राष्ट्रपति 1969 में, उनकी एकदम से डेथ हो जाती है. उस समय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे वीवी गिरी जी. तो वीवी गिरी जी ने अगली इलेक्शन भी लड़नी थी प्रेसिडेंट के लिए, तो इस कारण उन्होंने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट से भी रिजाइन कर दिया. सो होता क्या है, अगर प्रेसिडेंट भी नहीं है, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी नहीं है, तो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो एक्ट करता है एज ए प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया जब तक रेगुलर परमानेंट प्रेसिडेंट नहीं आ जाते. तब हुआ था. इन्होंने 82 में भी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया रहे, पर तब ये वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया थे. यानी ज़ैल सिंह उस समय के राष्ट्रपति, वो यूएस में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए गए थे, बट एज ए चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया इट वाज इन 1969. ठीक है. So, before moving further, we have something for our fabulous audience also. Yes, audience. कुछ यहाँ से लेकर जाना चाहोगे? जैसा से पूछते, जैसा क्या है ये?
ये गिफ्ट हैम्पर है होशियारपुर नेशनल बेकरी ओर से.
ओके, नेशनल बेकरी सेशन चौक होशियारपुर की तरफ से जज साहब जो है गिफ्ट हैम्पर लेकर आए हैं. जज साहब काफी कुछ लगता है इसमें खाने के लिए.
बहुत कुछ है, देखते हैं किसको मिलता है.
मैं ना रख लूं?
नहीं, आपको नहीं मिलेगा.
सो ऑडियंस के लिए है ये। ऑडियंस लेकर जाना चाहते हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाकर पार्टी करना, शेयर करना चाहते हो, बट उसके लिए आपको पहले एक उत्तर देना पड़ेगा। पूछूं क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
ऑडियंस, चांस टू विन अ गिफ्ट हैम्पर sponsored by National Bakery Session from Hoshiarpur. Your question is, Diet, D-I-E-T, is a parliament of which country? Diet is a parliament of which country? Japan, China, Russia or USA? What's your good name?
Savleen Kaur.
Savleen Kaur from
Triple M.
Triple M. Yes, Savleen Kaur from Triple M school. What's your answer?
China.
China. China. China. Savleen जी का आंसर, जज साहब, सवलीन का आंसर सही है या नहीं?
आप रॉन्ग आंसर।
रॉन्ग आंसर, रॉन्ग आंसर। सवलीन, जज साहब ने डिसाइड किया इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर। जज साहब ने डिसाइड किया इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर। द करेक्ट आंसर जज साहब क्या है?
जापान।
जापान इज द करेक्ट आंसर। जापान। डाइट इज द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ जापान। यस दीपक, चले आज से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes, sir.
गिफ्ट हैम्पर लेकर जाओ जज साहब।
नहीं तो ये मांग रहे हैं, इनको मिल जाएगा।
चलिए आगे चलते हैं। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा's conch shell? लॉर्ड कृष्णा, कृष्ण भगवान जी के शंख का क्या नाम था? नो आपने प्राइज भी लेना है और ये भी लेकर जाना है। यस 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 यस, कृष्ण भगवान जी के शंख का क्या नाम है? जैसा और टाइम दे नहीं, चलो कृष्ण भगवान जी के शंख का नाम पंचजन्य है। पंचजन्य गिफ्ट हैम्पर। चलिए मैं आपसे एक प्रश्न और पूछता हूँ और उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि इस वर्ष गिफ्ट हैम्पर आप लेकर जाएंगे। विच सिख गुरु एस्टैब्लिश द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ खालसा? खालसा पंथ की स्थापना किसने की?
Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
सबलीन, गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी। गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी। यस जज साहब, सही है कि नहीं?
राइट आंसर।
Savleen, your answer is absolutely correct. Big round of applause for Savleen. खालसा पंथ की स्थापना इंडीड गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने की थी। Savleen इधर आइए और अपना गिफ्ट हैम्पर लीजिए।
Thank you.
Congratulations. Yes, ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
पक्का पूछूं? Your question is, Dhaka is the capital of which neighboring country of India? ढाका। ढाका कहाँ की कैपिटल है? नेशनल बेकरी सेशन चौक होशियारपुर द्वारा स्पॉन्सर्ड एक और गिफ्ट हैम्पर है जो जीता जा सकता है। कम ऑन।
आई थिंक भूटान।
भूटान, यू थिंक भूटान? पक्का? ये हमें ना खाना पड़े यहाँ पर बैठे। But you can't answer ना, you have been selected for the silver chair. These questions are for the audience only. Come on, come on. I give you a chance. You can correct your answer. चाइना? जज साहब, क्या सही उत्तर है या नहीं?
रॉन्ग आंसर।
Oh, it is not the correct answer. Anybody else? Come on. ढाका कहाँ की कैपिटल है? Yes, भूमिका from चौधरी कबीर स्कूल. Yes.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is the capital. Sponsored by National Bakery Section of Hoshiarpur. भूमिका, please come. Triple M. भूमिका, sorry. भूमिका from Triple M School Hoshiarpur. Big round of applause for her. Congratulations भूमिका.
Thank you, sir.
जज साहब थैंक यू हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए, आप इतने वंडरफुल जो गिफ्ट हैम्पर लेकर आए, थैंक यू। चलिए क्या करोगे गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स का? फ्रेंड के साथ पार्टी को आप ही खुद ही खा लेना, खुद ही टेस्ट क्या करूं? चलिए, so candidates, you have only 3 more questions to answer. Asmita 40, Prabjit 30 and Rakshit 25. Rakshit, you can still get selected for the golden chair. Asmita, you will have to keep on giving the answers in order to secure your place for the golden chair. Prabjit, come on. All our past winners, they have been from DAV college. Ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Your next question is, how many years are there in a millennium? Millennium में कितने साल होते हैं? Come on, century, millennium. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Think hard. You will be able to answer. Simple English. Yes, just now. Shall I give the answer?
Yes, sir.
1000 years. 1000 years को मिलेनियम बोलते हैं. Come on. Moving on to the next question. Yes, identify this mathematical expression. Rakshit. Yes, what is it?
As per its right angle, so it might be Pythagoras, but
10 points for Rakshit. 10 points. Rakshit is at 35 points now. Big round of applause for him. It is indeed Pythagoras theorem. Very well answered, Rakshit. So very close contest, very close round we are having. You people are really close to one another. 40 points, 35 points, and 30 points. Now, if Prabjit gives the correct answer of the next question, Asmita and Prabjit, they will be tied at 40. If Rakshit, you give the correct answer of the next question, you will be selected for the golden chair round. Now, anything can happen. If Asmita gives the correct answer, she will be selected for the golden chair round. Now, ready?
Yes.
Sure? I'll play an audio first. ठीक है? You have to identify the movie.
याद है ठाकुर क्या कहे थे तुम? ये हाथ नहीं फांसी का फंदा है। देख फंदा खुल गया फंदा। बहुत जाने हाथ है। ये हाथ हमको दे दे ठाकुर। ये हाथ हमको दे ठाकुर।
Yes, Prabjit, you press the buzzer first. Which movie?
शोले.
शोले. पक्का?
Yes sir.
पक्का सीन याद आ गया?
Yes sir.
शोले. Let's ask her. It is the correct answer. Big round of applause for Prabjit. Oh, what a fabulous, terrific contest we are having. Asmita and Prabjot, they are both tied with 40 points each. Rakshit, you gave some brilliant answer. You played really well. Rakshit at 35 points. Now, you are both tied. Whom should I select? Should we have a toss or should I ask a question? Question? No toss? Okay, I'll ask the questions. After the silver chair round, we have Asmita and Prabjit. They are both tied at 40. And Rakshit, who gave some brilliant answers, has scored 35 points. They all played very well. Congratulations. And you did really well. Your efforts, they are really praiseworthy. Your dedication is really praiseworthy. I think you should all have been selected for the golden chair round, but we don't have that provision. So Asmita and Prabjit will move on with you people. Now what I am going to do, I will ask you people 3 questions, both of you. Okay? And whoever gives the correct answer of the maximum number of questions will get selected for the golden chair. Okay? Judge sir, there is no buzzer. You just have to raise your hands. Judge sir will decide who has raised the hand first. Okay, Judge sir, ready? Your question is, what is the equivalent rank of Major of Army in the Indian Air Force? What is the equivalent rank of Major of Army in the Indian Air Force? Judge sir, how much more time?
5 seconds.
You have just 5 seconds.
Is there negative marking?
No.
No, nothing. Time.
Time is up. It is squadron leader. Squadron leader. Major is equivalent to squadron leader in Indian Air Force. Your next question. Who is the current Speaker of Lok Sabha of India?
Prabjit.
Yes, yes sir.
Prabjit.
Prabjit. Mr. Om Birla. Sure?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Now, your next question. Which is the highest lake in the world? Yes. Yes. Highest lake in the world. Come on.
क्या आप जोड़ों के दर्द से परेशान हैं? बैठने या चलने में दर्द होना, गठिया, कंधों की जकड़न, खिलाड़ियों को होने वाले दर्द, पुरानी डिस्क की बीमारी और गर्दन दर्द से बिना दवाई के छुटकारा पाएं। एट सरदार दीदार सिंह मेमोरियल जॉइंट केयर, फिजियोथेरेपी एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर।
यहाँ है क्लास 4 लेजर थेरेपी, फिजियोथेरेपी, ऑस्टियोपैथी और मसाज थेरेपी। सरदार दीदार सिंह मेमोरियल जॉइंट केयर फिजियोथेरेपी एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर, ऑपोजिट मिनी सेक्रेटरीट, चंडीगढ़ रोड, होशियारपुर। कॉल 9915719555।
Villar Lake.
I hope you are not confusing India and the world. Villar is the largest freshwater lake of India. I am asking about the highest lake in the world. Yes sir, how much more time?
5 seconds.
Yes, 3, 2, 1. It is Lake Titicaca in South America continent. Lake Titicaca, sandwiched between Bolivia and Peru. Now, बहुत ही रोमांचक जो कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ, बहुत क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट, सभी कैंडिडेट्स ने they all played really well, they all gave some brilliant answers, they all gave some fabulous answers, but in the end Prabjit is the one from DAV College, Hoshiarpur, who has been selected for the golden chair round. Asmita, you played really well, and Rakshit, you also played really well. You actually, आप सभी डिजर्व करते हैं गोल्डन चेयर के लिए, बट लक ऑल्सो मैटर्स इन द लास्ट. चलिए, यस प्रभजीत, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
थैंक यू सर.
बहुत ही पेशेंस के साथ आप जो है यहाँ पर आए.
थैंक यू सर.
और बहुत बढ़िया आंसर दिए. पहले कुछ समय आप पीछे चल रहे थे, फिर बाद में आंसर देते थे आगे निकल के. वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू सर.
तो आप बता रहे थे आप डीएवी कॉलेज से हो?
यस सर.
बीएससी
नॉन मेडिकल.
नॉन मेडिकल. फाइनल ईयर?
सेकंड ईयर.
Second year, and your favorite subject, you just told that your favorite subject is physics, eh?
यस सर.
So what do you want to become?
टीचिंग और PCS.
Okay, that's great, that's great. We really need intelligent PCS officers like you. And are you a regular quizzer?
नो सर.
Okay, आप क्विज टीम भी है आपके कॉलेज में?
यस सर.
ठीक है. अब गोल्डन चेयर राउंड है, तो इस राउंड में पहले मैं आपको रूल्स बता देता हूँ. 5 questions will be asked. ठीक है. contestant will get the chance to answer all the 5 questions. Elimination नहीं है. And contestant will get cash prize accordingly. For 1 correct answer 1100, 3 correct 3100, 5 correct 5100, 4 41, 2 2100, like this. ठीक है. Nothing will be deducted if the answer is wrong. ये नहीं है आप 2100 जीत के थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत हुआ आपसे 1000 ले लेने हैं, ऐसे नहीं है. ठीक है. एंड देयर इज नो टाइम लिमिट टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. रेडी?
यस सर.
शैल आई आस्क द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
यस सर.
योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर रुपीज 1100 इज which of the following countries does not border Israel? A. Egypt, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Jordan, or is it D. Lebanon? Yes, does not border Israel. Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Lebanon. Out of these, which country does not border Israel? Israel is everywhere in news these days.
Jordan.
Jordan, sure?
70-80% sure.
70-80% sure. Shall I ask my magistrate?
यस सर.
Yes, magistrate जी बताइए सही उत्तर है या नहीं? क्या उत्तर है? It is not the correct answer. Jordan in fact borders Israel.
Okay sir.
At one point of time, it also captured West Bank. Jordan, Lebanon, Syria, Egypt, and these are the countries which border Israel. The answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia does not border Israel. So, shall we move further?
Yes sir.
Your next question is, which leader who was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi was also known as Frontier Gandhi? A. Maulana Azad, B. Mahathir Desai, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or is it D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? फ्रंटियर गांधी किनको बोला जाता था? सोचिए. किनको फ्रंटियर गांधी बोला जाता था? कम ऑन प्रभजीत, टेस्ट योर नॉलेज एंड रेन सुप्रीम.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Let's ask our magic screen whether it is the correct answer or not. खान अब्दुल गफर खान मैजिस्ट्रेट जी ने बताया है। इनफैक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर ऑल्सो नोन एज बच्चा खान और बादशाह खान। ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड रेड शर्ट्स और खुदाई खिदमतगार। ये इंडिया नॉर्थ वेस्ट प्रोविंस है जो आजकल पाकिस्तान में है। ये पश्तून थे जो कि उस इलाके को, उस प्रोविंस को इंडिया में शामिल करना चाहते थे। He was not in favor of partition of India. Very well answered, Prabjit. Now you have won 1100 rupees. Till now, Judge Saab will hand over the cash prize of 1100 rupees to you. Big round of applause for Prabjit. You have won 1100. You have given one correct answer out of 2 questions. Shall I ask the next question?
Yes, sir.
Your next question is: which UNESCO World Heritage Site is shared by India and Bangladesh? A. Manas National Park, B. Sundarbans, C. Ajanta Caves, or is it D. Nanda Devi? Shared by India and Bangladesh. Come on, chance to win 2100 rupees.
Sundarbans.
Sundarbans. Prabjit has given Sundarbans the answer. Prabjit has answered Sundarbans. Our audience, let's see whether Prabjit is able to win 2100 or not. Let's ask our magic screen. Yes, magic screen जी. Magic screen जी ने बताया है प्रभजीत की आपका आंसर बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. You have given 2 correct answers now and you have won 2100 rupees. Very well answered, Prabjit.
Thank you, sir.
Sundarbans is indeed shared by India and Bangladesh both. Very well answered, Judge Saab. So, Prabjit 2100 rupees. और जीतने जाते हो?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट आंसर देना पड़ेगा फिर.
Okay, sir.
अब कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो पूरे. पहले नर्वस लग रहे थोड़े थोड़े.
Yes, sir.
चलो, your next question is: when Delhi became the capital of India in 1912, it was under the jurisdiction of which province? A. Punjab, B. United Provinces, C. Northwest Frontier Province, or is it D. Bombay? When Delhi became the capital of India in 1912, it was under the jurisdiction of which province? Come on. सोचिए, come on, think hard. दिमाग के घोड़े दौड़ाइए तेज.
NWFP.
NWFP. Do you want to finally go with it?
Yes, sir.
जी मैजिक स्क्रीन जी बताइए सही उत्तर है या नहीं. इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर प्रभजीत. द करेक्ट आंसर इज पंजाब. Delhi was under the jurisdiction of Punjab before it became the capital of India in 1912. So moving on to the 5th question. Chance to win 3100. क्या करोगे अगर 3100 जीत जाओगे? पार्टी फ्रेंड्स के साथ और सेव कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. वी शुड सेव फॉर द रेनी डेज. Now, your next question is: who was the first Indian to qualify for Indian Civil Service in 1865? 4. Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore, Satyendranath Tagore, or S.N. Banerjee?
Satyendranath Tagore.
Satyendranath Tagore. Do you want to go with it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, magic screen जी बताइए Satyendranath Tagore सही उत्तर है या नहीं? It is the correct answer. He was the first Indian to get selected to IAS in 1864. He was given the Carter of Bombay ICS, Bombay Carter. He served from 1864 to 1897. He translated many Sanskrit texts to Bengali and wrote many books in Bengali and English.
Yes.
Very well answered. You have won 3100 rupees. Jassa will hand over the cash prize of 3100 rupees to Prabjit now. You played brilliantly. Big round of applause for Prabjit. Congratulations, Prabjit. You really played well.
Thank you, sir.
And again, Prabjit from DAV College, Hoshiarpur has won 3100 rupees today. Congratulations, Prabjit.
Thank you, sir.
You really made your college proud. But again, we have had many winners from DAV College Hoshiarpur. DAV College Hoshiarpur एक अलग ही जो रोशनी, ज्ञान की रोशनी जो है रीजन में जगा रहा है. Very well played. So we have come to the end of today's journey. What a close contest we have had. What a fabulous, fierce competition we have had today. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time. On this note, I will call it a day. Just shall we end today's contest? Thank you.